is this an office thing?
Probably not.
Okay.
Well, it stretches out.
It does? Oh, it does?
That's the reach.
Every now and again, my friends ask me for help organizing their space, and today I helped my friend Allyn organize his messy desk into a place where he can actually get work done. So if you're looking for some inspiration on how to clean your messy desk, this is the video for you.
And, okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Allyn. I'm a music teacher. This is my wonderful office space. And by wonderful, I mean anxiety-inducing. I have been kind of avoiding it for a few months now. I do teach lessons online, as well as do other work online because I teach a college class as well. And I very much have work to do with this space, but it's a little overwhelming. I have a small place here in Boston, so I don't always know what to do in terms of organization, and please help. This is Rory over here.
You are so precious. Yep. Oh my gosh. You know it. You know, you're on to me.
My trusty dog.
So cute.
All right, well, I am so happy to be here to help you organize your desk. Tell me what is happening. What happened?
I guess life happened.
Okay, that's perfectly okay.
Yeah, you know, mail comes in, it ends up over here. This is,
Oh no.
You know, music, I'm a music teacher, and so I'm always printing music and printing stuff, and so I feel like it just all ends up in a pile, and then if I finish a concert or something, it ends up everywhere.
First step we have to do is declutter. So let's take away all the stuff here that we definitely don't need. Like there's some stuff that here is kind of suspicious, like the neck pillow. Is that something you use while you're working?
Nope. This was I was just in an airport and I got stuck there for like 9 hours.
Oh, no.
And and I just had to find a comfy way to lie on the floor and sleep.
Can we put that in another place maybe?
Sure, we can get rid of this.
Do you want to get rid of it or do you want to keep it and put it in another room?
I'd get rid of it.
Oh, you get rid of it?
I have no attachment to it.
All right, we're gonna set up 3 bins. One bin we're gonna set up for things we're gonna keep. One bin we're gonna set up for things we're gonna donate. And one bin we're gonna set up for things that belong in another room. You definitely don't want to stop organizing and take your thing to that other room. It's going to be super distracting. So just set up a bin for the other rooms, then you can take them to the other rooms after you're done. That way you can stay on target. Do we have a trash can?
Yeah.
Or a trash bag or something?
Actually, just took out the trash. That's perfect.
Oh, sweet. Yes. It's a massager.
It's a massager.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is. I gotta find the charger though.
Do you use that while you're working? Do you guys?
It could probably go in another room. I'd say it could go in.
All right. What about the little Beanie Baby?
Oh, Pat?
Yeah. He's the Pat?
He has a name, yeah. Patriot. Yeah, Patriots. They call him Pat. Pat usually hangs out by the desk. You know, I usually perch him like up here.
Oh, Pat can stay up there. That's cool.
But technically, it was for these originally. But I kind of liked him perched up there.
That's so
like,
cute.
I love
that. All right. Are these for Doggo or are they for you?
Oh, they were for me, but
okay.
I haven't worn them in a long time. But but yeah, those definitely don't have to go in here.
Okay, so they can go in other rooms.
That can go in the bedroom.
Okay, cool. What's this?
Oh, it was a microphone that I was using for teaching. Yeah, we can.
Oh.
Probably.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
We can stick that away.
Is it? Are you gonna keep it, or you keep it in here, maybe?
Yeah, I'd still probably keep it in here because that one I might use to record some audio.
What's this power glove thing? Never have a dead phone again.
That was one of those.
Brand new.
What do they call it? Yankee Swap or White Elephant?
Oh, really?
Maybe like the one that's like you get.
And you never opened it.
Nope.
Do you wanna give it away, or
Let's give it away. Let's give it away. I vote for give it away.
Which one's give it away?
The middle one, right?
Okay. What?
Oh yes, those can go in another room. They are feathers for my fedora hat.
Oh, they're pretty. Hi, they're not for you.
They're for you.
You probably like to eat them.
I think those came with my guitar strings. I just thought
Are they stickers?
They're stickers, but I just
Oh.
thought they looked cool.
They
So
do look cool.
They sent them to me for free, so I just, yeah.
Okay.
This is what happens. Like, I get something in the mail, and I'm just like, oh, I don't want to throw that out. That looks kind of cool.
You're a victim to the swag.
Right, exactly.
So,
Free swag.
Do you think you'll put them on something, or do you think they'll...
I could probably put one on one of my guitar cases, but I probably only use one. The
Okay.
other two.
What's this a charger for, you think?
No idea.
Oh, cool.
Could be. I think I tried to use it for the massager thing, but...
DVE switching adapter.
Yeah, it goes to something. I don't know. This is the stand for the massager.
Oh! This one?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Look at us. How does it go? Does it go?
Like that, exactly. It just kind of like rests on it.
And this is not, but this is not the charger for it?
I don't think so. I've been looking for the charger. I can't find it.
One
I'll
day
probably
we're
just
gonna
buy another one.
One day we're gonna, don't do that. We're gonna find it.
That's probably right.
You have a concert like right now? What's going on?
Embarrassing. Yeah, so those were just, that was from a concert.
Okay.
I have a jazz band too, so sometimes I wear
Jazz
bow
band.
ties.
Okay.
Yeah.
It just never got put away. They
Yeah, it never got put away.
Okay. I'm sensing a pattern here. Okay, you have a bike lock?
I do have a bike lock.
Okay.
The bike is not in here.
Right?
So I think the bike lock would probably not be in here.
Definitely. Why is there a back scratcher in here?
You know.
I mean, there can
your
be.
back gets
I'm not
itchy.
saying that there can't be, but I'm just saying, is this an office thing?
Probably not.
Okay.
But it is. I mean, they are cool.
It is cute. I mean, it's a bear claw. We
Yeah,
love
well, it
that.
stretches out. You know.
It does. Oh, it does.
That's the whole point.
Wait
yeah.
a minute.
For those spots you can't reach. And it's a bear claw.
Yes. How about this?
Oh, the family
photo
photo.
album,
Yeah,
yeah.
family photo. Yeah, photo album. I guess it doesn't really need to go in here.
Okay,
It
other
can go.
rooms.
It can go somewhere.
Other rooms. Instruction manual.
Yeah, maybe I haven't used that pedal yet, so maybe I do need
Oh,
it.
okay. Where's the pedal?
It is not here. I brought it to my mom's where I was using it.
Okay.
Or going to try to use it.
Okay, so it.
So I should take it out of here.
Yeah, I should
Yeah,
probably take it out
yeah.
of it. Put it in the other rooms bin.
Getting something for free or getting a gift from a brand or a company or something like that is always, always a trap for extra clutter to end up in your house. Just think really hard whether or not you really need that item or not, even though it was free.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, here's the pedal. Oh, it's
This is a blast from the past.
here. Hey, it's a Zoom.
It's
the
a Zoom.
I love that thing.
Do you still use this?
Heck yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's amazing. I love it.
They sound good.
Really?
I mean,
Okay.
they sound pretty decent for what they are, and they have two plugins.
How old is
So.
this?
Oh, it's old.
Yeah, it's old.
Yeah,
right?
10 years.
Nice. So it lives
pretty
here,
old.
right?
Yeah, it lives
Okay,
here. It lives here.
Okay, we'll find a good home for it aside from.
It's great for making recordings for like if I have to make an accompanying
Yes.
recording for a student.
Yes.
And by the way, the pedal was buried under here, so the pedal is here.
We found the pedal! Right,
Some music.
oh, we got some music. How do you play CDs now?
I have a disc drive.
Where? Oh, you do have a disc
I know,
drive.
it's so old
Oh
school.
my gosh. Well, we'll keep the discs together. Do you need this here?
Oh,
Oh, it's a holder for an air tag.
right, which someone gave me, but I have not used.
I know.
It's a trend. Like I get things, and I'm like, oh, that's such a nice gift, and then I like don't even open
And then
it.
you're like, bye.
And then but then I feel bad, like I can't get rid of it because it was a gift, and you know.
Do you need this in your life? Like, are you ever gonna use this?
It's pretty unlikely.
Okay, so we'll
It's
give it
pretty-
away.
I think maybe let's give it away.
Let it go. Yeah.
I know there's a lot of guilt involved in getting rid of or passing on gifts that we can't really use, that were given to us either by someone we loved or by someone who was, really excited about giving us that gift, but don't feel super bad about passing it on to someone who will get more use out of it than you. It's not doing you any good just sitting in your house collecting dust when it could be doing a really good job for someone else. So don't feel bad about passing gifts that you're not using on to someone else. It's better when it's in use rather than collecting dust in your home.
Controller Max. What is this?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
I don't know where. Yeah, I don't know where it came from or what's on it.
Find the thing that it goes on. And there's a Is this a Oh, it's like a shoelace.
That's a shoelace.
It's half a shoelace.
Oh yeah, we don't need half a shoelace.
Yeah, I think that we can do toss that. I always tell people that the only way to control the mail is to open it when it comes in the door and deal with it. It takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I know it's like the last thing you want to do when you come home but you have to open the mail because otherwise you end up with stacks and stacks.
I have a mail problem.
Of unopened mail.
I have a mail problem.
It's the hardest habit to get into, but I'm telling you it's the best one because people always ask me how to organize mail and there is no good way. You just have to open it and deal with it when you come in the house. If it's a bill, pay it. If it's an invitation, respond or decide you're going to respond. If it's junk mail, shred it. If it's something to file. So this takes like 10 minutes. And I know it's like you come home and you're like, oh, I don't want to open it.
I
You probably need a
more
place for
homes
loose
for that.
sheets.
Yeah.
And I'd be very picky about which loose sheets you want to keep because they just keep. If you're a musician, they just keep coming.
They never. That's actually
They
one of
never
my,
stop.
one of my biggest problems is just sheet music, and like my mom, same deal. She's a music teacher, so it's just sheet music everywhere.
They never
so.
stop. Ever since I've tried to switch over completely to digital, just to stop the clutter from coming in. Like again, not everyone gives you a digital score.
Yeah,
which is really
I'm
annoying.
like slowly but surely. I feel like it's taking a while for me to just like trust that
it's
nothing
like-
will go
yeah, it's
wrong
gotta
when
be
I'm
okay.
reading
Yeah.
a digital score.
Yeah. It's the adjustment was really difficult. Oh no!
Oh hey!
Oh, what is that?
It is my NEC diploma.
Your NEC diploma was behind here.
Yeah, I thought that I eventually was
gosh.
going to frame it or something. What else do we got here?
That's hilarious that your diploma was behind your monitor just chilling. You got some
Packing
shipping
tape.
I mean, it's-
You never know.
I guess you never know.
You know when you're gonna ship something.
Put that around, I guess.
I guess I can.
Yeah, what do you get? Is this
I don't. I think I just.
Star Market. I thought it was gonna be like Music Espresso or something, but no.
So I don't know what we want to do with my diploma. I would like to put it up somewhere, but
Okay.
I never. I don't know if you've ever tried to get something framed, but it's a racket.
It is a racket.
They charge you so much money.
It is a racket.
I didn't know that like I would have to pay like $200 or something. It's like, do
Yeah.
you want it matted? Do you
It's a
want it
racket.
matted? And yeah, I just
Yeah.
couldn't quite rationalize
That's why
paying
mine
so
are
much
not-
money.
They're not framed.
I'm aware how intimidating and insurmountable it can feel to start to declutter or organize a space where the clutter has been building up for days, weeks, months, or even years. It just seems like such a gargantuan task, and that's where another set of eyes and another set of hands can come in really helpful. If you are stuck, if you are feeling really, really intimidated by it, call in a friend, a relative, your roommate, your spouse, whatever, to help you get started at least, or to help you make decisions. If you're feeling really weird about making decisions, sometimes you can just get decision fatigue. So let that other person be the motivation to keep on moving. And if you need to take a break every now and again. Take like a few minutes of a break, have some tea or some coffee, and then you can get started again. So we're definitely going to organize the drawers. The drawers needed a little bit of help.
The biggest impact you can make on any drawer space is just simply divide it. Without the dividers, stuff's just gonna go everywhere. It's gonna be hard for your eye to find things. So these were really inexpensive and they're cute too. So let's
Cool.
Let's add some organization to your drawer here, because this is looking very good.
Having someone who's organized homes for a living in your space can really be helpful, because usually that person, and I'm talking about people like me, other professional organizers, have worked with many different kinds of people. And our goal mostly is to make a system for you that works for you in particular, not for me, not for Sally down the street, not for Grandpa Joe, for you. So make sure before that professional organizer leaves your house that the system that they have set up is something that you can realistically maintain. That's really important to me as a professional organizer, to make sure that my clients can actually use their space and will use their space very easily when I leave. I don't want to set up spaces that are just cute, that I think are adorable, but are too much trouble to maintain, because one thing I want to do is make it easy for everyone to live in their home and easy for people to put things away. That is the main idea. So we decluttered this space and enjoy the rest of our organizing session. Oh, I went under the desk to do a little bit of cord control. Cord control is something that's really important to me, and you know, it helps. Okay, just a little reminder of what it looked like before. There was a lot of clutter on the desk. It was just getting too intimidating. There was stuff all over the keyboard. There were things that didn't belong in there. The drawers were a little bit messy and needed some organization, and afterward, nice and clean.
All right, we're done. What do you think of your new space?
Oh my God, this is amazing.
You can actually find things and work here, right?
I think I could. I think I could get used to this. I think you need to come back and do like my entire house. That would be great.
We can arrange that.
This is fabulous. I can't remember the last time I've even seen my desk. I forgot that it was white. You know, I forgot that there was actually a surface there that I could use. So you're amazing.
How do you feel when you sit here now?
You know, I'm feeling a sense of calm. Of like I could actually tackle something from here now.
I love that.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Amazing.
You're welcome. Yay! All right, you did it.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this motivated you to get your own desk under control. If it's a little messy, don't be afraid. You definitely can do it. Let me know in the comment section below, what is on your desk right now? Do you have a lot of messy stuff? Do you have like stuff taking up your desk that's not supposed to be there? Let me know. All right, thanks for watching so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.